Meaning of desert rat.
Desert rat.
Desert rat.
Desert rat.
Desert rat. The term desert rat typically refers to someone who is accustomed to or experienced in living and thriving in desert environments. This is often used as an affectionate nickname for soldiers, particularly those who have served in desert warfare. The name stems from the tough, resilient nature of rodents such as rats that are known for their ability to survive in harsh conditions. Overall, desert rat is a term that connotes strength, endurance, and resourcefulness in challenging circumstances.